Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded with a bullish bias here, and again reaching to the highs we have seen. US30 going closer towards 37,700, and US30 has seen highs of 17,650 levels. So does it mean that it is going to rally again today, or there is a possibility of a reversal? The services PMI data definitely will add lot much of volatility to specifically Tech 100. So how to profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones with the US? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day notifications. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first one should have profited. And yes, you can also be a channel member here and get the additional benefits. Press the join button and support the effort, and do like, share and comment, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. Let's start first Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones Watch. Now on the hourly charts, price is retraced towards the 20 period moving average. It is taking the support from the 20 period moving average and trying to bounce back. Yes, it has got its support resistance at 17,630. It has breached this, and now remember 17,630 is the first resistance, and now 17,660, 680. This complete zone, rather I will say, of 50 points is going to play an important role today for Tech 100. And beyond 17,680, still you can expect it to find nearest resistance at 17,715 levels. After that, sky is the limit for Tech 100. Remember, if it breaks past the highs at 17,750, we will look forward to 17,840 levels in the near future for Tech 100. What it has done is rise, retracement. You can see this eliminate this breakout, reversal, taking the support here and trying to rise again. Higher highs and higher lows is what you should look at. Higher highs means 17,750 levels. Somewhere here is the highs here. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, trying to converge a bit. It is not yet completely crossed over, but it is trying to converge. RSI rising. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, very strong support is observed here at 17,600, 530. Remember, these were the levels I have shared earlier in the day are going to remain a greater support. Price is recovered from the same levels and it is trying to give a breakout. I will wait for now a breakout beyond 17,660, 680 zone. Right now it is at 17,640. The stochastic rising, MACD is trading with a very little divergence. It is still in a red zone. It is trying to converge crossover. Yes, if it does show a crossover, you can treat this as reversal. The stock as RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3-hour charts here. Yes, swings here, and it is almost breaking towards the highs here again. We have to wait and watch how it behaves at 17,660, 680 zone. Also, one must note it is forming higher lows, higher highs. Where are the highs as per the channel here? You will find it somewhere here at 17,750 and then 17,800, 840 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4-hour charts. See, swings here and the highs are seen. Once it trades beyond 17,660, 680, stay bullish. It is going to look further highs towards 17,750 and 800 levels. In fact, the stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is bullish. It is divergent, and RSI almost staying flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. The candle has filled the gap what we have seen in the market open today. It has formed a tail. It is trying to rise. If you connect the dots here, you can connect that higher highs. Higher highs are seen on the preceding 2 occasions, and yes, this complete zone. See, the resistance here is very, very strong. Thus, any breakout beyond, rather 17,660, you can initiate a buying entry at 17,660. Expect it to move closer towards 17,700, 715 levels. Possibilities there. And if and only if Nasdaq 100 trades above 17,715, you can say that it is going to trade bullish for 17,755 and 17,800 levels. On the downside, a selling entry is only recommended if you see it trading 17,580. Before I give you the complete strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join the 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. Register yourself now. Reach out to my official Telegram ID and to write down an email to me if you need any clarifications with respect to the mentorship batch or the Signals channel. And yes, if you want to get the live updates of the market, join the free Telegram channel or visit my platform forexfunda.com for more updates. You can also book or schedule a call there with me on the platform forexfunda.com. Do visit it. Now, considering this, the selling entries today are anyways intact at 17,580 levels. Now, keep a note of three levels: 580 if it breaks, 540, 550 is the first support zone, and if it breaks below 545, we can look forward for ideally a symmetrical candle where prices might try to tend towards trade towards 17,400, 380 levels. Possibilities there. A break below 17,450, 400 levels should be a clear-cut bearish indication where in fact tomorrow again prices might try to trade bearish. Thus take your positions accordingly. On the upside, be careful of 17,700, 715 zone. Prices might reverse. Yes, we have to be careful there. Trade accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now look at US30, lower highs, lower lows. It is forming a nice flag. See, this is a flag formation. Thus, it has to break beyond the highs of the preceding candle, which is right now at 38,800. In fact, I will recommend if you see trading above 38,700, you can buy 38,750 first resistance and then 38,780 the next. If it stays beyond 38,700, 750, 780 zone, consider this for a reversal. Else, one must note it is giving you lower highs, lower lows. Where are the lows for this channel? 38,500. And then further to that, we can expect it to move towards 38,450. That should be a good support. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge. It was trading with divergence and bearishness. It has not yet crossed over. RSI dropping a bit. Coming to 2-hour chart. Similar observation on the 2-hour charts. See, 20 period moving average giving it a very, very good support. Also, one must note that it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, taking the support from the 20 period. It is trying to rise. Thus, where you should sell, I will only recommend you to sell here at 38,550 levels. Below 550, we can 550, 540. That is the only point below which a bearishness can be expected in US30, where it may tend to move towards 38,500, very good support, 38,450, the next support levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading with little dive. On the 3-hour chart, see a flat top is what you can see. Swings are seen. We have to wait for it to break below the 20 period moving average sitting at 38,500. See symmetrical movement almost, and thus it is trying to deliver the same where it can in fact achieve the highs or show swings and then reverse. Possibility is there that it can show you good swings. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour chart, the preceding candle comes with a good swing. Remember this fact. We have seen it creating lower lows and higher highs. Where are the highs here? Around 700, 750 zone. And where are the lows here? 38,500. So this, rather, let me include the double top levels as well. So 500 to 780, this 300 points is the caution zone specifically for US30. Below 38,500, we have to stay bearish for tomorrow as well, where it can try to move towards 38,300 as well. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green trying to converge and crossover. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to daily charts. Now look at daily charts. Lower highs are done. In fact, it has achieved 38,700 and trying to trade bearish. What it can try to do? Higher lows. Higher lows means 38,400 is achievable. And one must notice the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average sitting at around 38,200 to 150 levels. Some point of time it should hit the 20 period moving average. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green trying to converge a bit. RSI looking down. Considering this, I will only recommend you to buy today 38,700 and 38,700, 750 is going to remain a greater resistance zone. In fact, let's include the double top levels at 38,780 as well. These three levels, if US30 breaks past by, stay bullish. We will look forward to, in fact, yes, staying above 38,800, the targets are pretty big. We can look forward to 39,000 levels very, very soon. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 38,580, 550. And yes, if you're selling at 580, be careful at 38,540. These 40 points are crucial, and then 38,500. These 80 points are crucial. Below 38,500 is where the bears will take over for 38,450, 400, and then 38,300 levels. Yes, it could try to show a symmetrical move or create lower highs, lower lows, where the support at 38,200 can also be seen. Take your positions accordingly. A possible swing cannot be denied. A rise or breakout on the upside, breaking past the all-time highs, should be a caution note for you to close the shorts and be careful or trail. And yes, on the downside, a break below 38,500, 450 zone is a sign of bearishness. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Press the bell icon to get twice a day releases. First update before the US and before the Asia and Europe session definitely add meaning to your trading decisions for that as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do join the Signals channel and mentorship batch.